about a week ago. Decided to come back out, see if I can get a big one. Pretty good feeling it's going to be the jerk bait and drop shot again that gets it done, but we'll see. There you go. Saw him come up with that. It's a really good start in 5 minutes. That guy struck it twice. First time I had too much slack in my line and he went back for it. Dang, this looks really good in the water. I feel I'm going to catch a lot today with this. There you go. This bass has a fight in him. And for a little guy, he's a fighter. Not a bad one. Right. That was a lot of fun. So much fun catching him on a drop shot. I know most people would rather get him on a big bait, but I kind of like the drop shot, just lighter tackle. Any fish you catch is going to put up a decent fight. Fish. Oh man. I'm really feeling like fish right now. That's not working right. It's fixed. Little adjustment, got it fixed. Yeah, he swallowed that. They're eating this pretty good. It's number 3. Small one. There we go. Fish
side.